Brands are powerful. People love brands and people will buy a product just because there's a brand on it. Did you know that there's a clever strategy going on with those big names behind their branding? This video will give you some advice on how to approach your manufacturing company's branding. Please be aware that each of these points is an important part of a greater whole, so only focusing on one of them is not enough. First of all, it's important to think about your style guidelines. Make sure all your images have correct logos, color schemes, and fonts, and also ensure that all your products have updated imagery. Often there will be many versions of a brand's style guidelines out there for employees to grab, and you'll find outdated logos popping up as a result. It's important to avoid that because, for example, having the wrong logo at the top of your social media page can instantly make users decide not to follow you. Secondly, you need to think carefully about how you market your products. Think about your naming system. In the manufacturing sector, products are often given names made up of a string of numbers and letters. Whilst the naming system might make sense for your inventory or catalog, it's not very catchy or memorable. Make sure you're adopting a catchy name, or if you can't change the name, a catchy nickname for you to use at the forefront of your product promotions. And finally, remember to include your team members. Social media is the perfect tool to promote and interact with people. Putting your team members at the front of your promotions will give some real personality to your brand and make you feel more human and genuine. One of the things you could do is choose a social media platform where all you do is talk about your team members. You could talk about achievements, awards, social events, travel, even funny stories from the office, anything to show the face behind the brand. Do you have any other tips about branding for the manufacturing sector? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, we have an in-depth guide about this topic on our training platform. Check it out using the link in the description.